Today, you will discover how to make authentic Italian seasoning from scratch with this quick and easy recipe. After watching this video to the end, you will skip the store-bought options and enjoy a fresh, flavorful blend of herbs that is perfect for all your favorite Italian dishes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons dried rosemary, 2 tablespoons dried basil, 1 tablespoon dried marjoram, 2 tablespoons dried oregano, 1 tablespoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon sage powder, and 2 tablespoons dried parsley. Whisk to combine very well. Now our homemade Italian seasoning is ready. This homemade blend is versatile, cost-effective, and packed with authentic Italian flavors. Keep watching, don't go nowhere, so you will learn some tips about using your special blend. Now go ahead and transfer your authentic blend to an airtight container and store away from direct heat and sunlight for up to 6 months. You can use your seasoning in many dishes, including pasta, pizza, meats, fish, seafood, soups, stews, sauces, chicken, salads, and vegetables, or whenever you want to add a herbal flavor to any dish. You can also use it in marinades and rubs. Add it to dressings or in olive oil for a yummy dip for bread. Thanks for watching. Now that you know how to make authentic Italian seasoning from scratch using this quick and simple recipe, go ahead and try it in your favorite dishes for a burst of fresh flavor. Don't forget to share this easy DIY recipe with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more homemade seasoning ideas.